Hey crafters, it's me Jen with Quality Crafts. Welcome to another 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. This one is 189 sent to us from Wanda Bailey. And as promised, this one's coming after Judy Basile. And she sent in some beautiful pieces, all matchy-matchy, just like Judy did. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. I'm going to add some of my own paper and I'm going to create a card using all of her cute little stuff here. So let's get started because I'm just going to take up the whole 10 minutes doing this however it looks. Oh yeah, that's right. It is already an open card with the front done. And I am going to add some white. I did say that. This is really pretty, by the way. Super pretty. Okay, I'm going to do that with a little piece of that and a little piece of this on the outside. And then I'm going to do a circle. So I do already like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and commit. Make sure I have the opening going the right way. I got that on there super crooked. Oh well. We're going to leave it. It's gonna bug me, isn't it? It's gonna bug me. How did I make that so crooked? Let's see if I can fix it. Just gonna have to cut a smidgen off the bottom. And that won't cut all the way through, so I'm just gonna use my scissors to finish that up. There we go. And then, ooh, that's cute. I'm going to put that on the side. I like the way that looks. And then because the flowers are all blue, I still want them to like stick out. So I'm going to cut these off here. And I'm going to make a circle. And I'm going to make it white. So I'm going to go use this last thing here. You know what? I grabbed the oval first, so that's what's going on. That's what's going on today. And pencil. And I'm just going to hand cut this. I'm going to fussy cut it. Put my scissor back. And my pencil back. So I'm down to one. I could have taken the time to get out a die or whatnot, but this is just at my desk, easy to grab, simple to do. There we go. And sometimes doing it that way, you think, you know, the edges don't look perfect. So here's a remedy for that. Distress the edge with either one of these funny little tools or just your scissors. If you don't have one of those, use a scissor. Get the same look, same feathered look. And then it makes it look like you didn't make any boo-boos. And that's going to go there, and that's where I'm going to put this flower. And these are going on the inside, so just so I don't forget, I'm going to go ahead and plop those on the inside right now. Right now. Approximately the same spot. No, I put it on this side. Cut off the excess. Put that in the garbaggio. There we go. Cute inside. Cute, cute. Okay, so this is going to go on here. I'm going to use some of this to make this pop up. A little bit more interest to the card. That is so cute. Yeah, probably should put this down too. So let's go ahead and put that there. And then I have to figure out how I'm going to glue these guys on. Let's see if I can get some more glue out of this one. So for sure I want to do a couple of these little guys a little bit closer to the flower, and then I'll do some of the, I don't know what I'm going to do with the other ones. Nope, I'm going to want that to go, yeah, a little more down there. That looks good. And this one, this is so cute. Where am I going to want that to go? Like all the way down. Ooh, like right there? Yeah. Heck yeah. That one and this one to come down the middle. Sweet. I hope that we can get this little guy to... Already I'm running out of glue. Oh, here it comes. Okay. Get that to go under and come around. Yeah, that is so cute. Oh my gosh. I didn't even plan that. Okay. There we go. And I'm going to stop the timer because I made that one before the bell. And so this one is going to get mailed to Wanda. Thank you, Wanda, for sending in your scraps. Again, 189 this one is. Judy Basile's was 188. And a cute, cute card. So I'll put my information on the back there and send this one out to Wanda. Thanks again, ladies. We're going to run up until this hits 200, and then we're going to switch to a mixed media series. I hope that you will enjoy that as well. And until next time, I cannot wait to see you guys next video.